Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. As we are surrounded with the sparkle of Diwali and wedding season, we are stepping into a season where celebration along with gifting happens. It's but natural that we are looking for some special gifts for our loved ones, for family, for friends to celebrate these important occasions. This guide that I am presenting and putting together today is comprising of all such meaningful timepieces for both men and women. Also, some accessories which are priced under rupees 1 lakh. Now, these gifts are meaningful because they are gifts which are going to be lasting not only on the celebration but even after. So, come, let's discover the same. The first piece, of course, I have I'm so excited. I have picked up almost 5 pieces. Now, 5 pieces valued under 1 lakh, and you wearing legacy and history on your wrist of more than 170 years. What better gift it can be? So, the first one is the Tissot Carson Premium Powermatic 80. It is 40 in width, and I love the Roman numerals, the indexes. It also has a see-through case back. It's an automatic watch. Now, it's priced at 76,000. It has a date aperture. Easily, a person who likes that formal look can wear it in the morning and, get into even evening parties and cocktails. That's the first one. And the next one that I have shortlisted is for a sporty look, for a sporty person. Of course, it's a men's watch, and this one is a 38 This is Tissot PR516 Powermatic 80. Not only that it's sporty, but it's also a little bit on the dressy side, I would say, because of the material here, steel and gold effect. It is an automatic watch, 38 and see-through case back, sapphire see-through case back. Also, it has baton-shaped the hour and minute hand, which is very, very interesting for me. I love that. It's priced at 80,500. Now, isn't this an interesting piece once again when it considers we want to give us a gift? So, the next one that we have selected here is for a man who likes a dressy look. I love the silver color dial here. The dial has that silver look. It is 42 and the watch itself is Tissot Chemin de Touraine. This one is Powermatic 80 um, with a see-through case back, sapphire crystal once again. Um, it is priced at 86,500. I love the look, the dressy look, and the silver dial. And of course, it's a round shape. In steel, it has a butterfly clasp with a push button. Very, very, very interesting watch. Um, and for the budget that we have, it's a beautiful piece which can be gifted. Next piece is for the woman. This is 29 and it is the Tissot Lelocle Automatic Lady. By the name itself, it suggests it's an automatic watch, 29 So this is priced at 84,000 rupees. This one is again a very sporty look, and this is Tissot C Star 1000. I mean to say, isn't this an interesting watch at 50,500 rupees? It's a diver's watch. Next one is another Swiss brand, Ernest Borel, and this one I have is with a steel and red gold PVD. It is 28 priced at 92,000. I mean to say it's 28 with it's a quartz watch. Huh? It's a quartz watch, but it's a very versatile watch, I would say. This piece is easily my favorite piece from the available or the choice that I have shortlisted today for the gifts. This one is from the cocktail collection of Ernest Borel and is 31 It is having emerald dial, the real emerald dial. It's a quartz watch, yes, but there's as the hours and minutes move, there is an interesting pattern of the seconds in the center of the dial. It is mesmerizing to watch this. And do you know what it is priced at? It's priced at 78,000. And the next selection that I have shortlisted is from a brand which needs no introduction. Brand is Longines, and I have a men's watch and a women's watch. The men's watch is 41 and the women's is 29.5 mm. Both are from Conquest collection. They are quartz watch and they are priced at 85,000. Both of them are priced at 85,000. We have discovered certain interesting timepieces, and now it's time for us to discover some accessories. Montblanc does not need any introduction. Though historically it's known for its writing instruments, today Montblanc has a great choice when it comes to accessories. Be it the leather products, be it the eyewear, even the luggage trolley. But today, what I have picked up are certain accessories which can be put together and they become excellent and exclusive gifting option below 1 lakh. Let me show you. So you see there is a leather belt. Okay, this is a classic leather belt. It has a buckle which has got platinum plated on steel so that it doesn't get oxidized. You know, the steel remains, the sheen remains. Then we have this classic collection wallet, and there are classic cufflinks, once again platinum plated. Now all these three, I believe, is put together as a gift hamper below 1 lakh. Isn't this an excellent option? We also have Extreme collection. Extreme is more contemporary, and the Extreme collection has interesting cufflinks. They have actually a globe which can be rotated, and this is for a person who's always on the move, on the go. Again, put together this belt and a wallet and cufflinks. They are priced under rupees 1 lakh, and they also do interesting packaging, exclusive. So you make your person feel special with the special packaging and a special kind of a gift box, because this is not something which is easily available. When you come to the Montblanc boutique, you will discover many such options. These are things that I have put together, but you have options. So you may decide that you don't want a classic collection belt and you want an extreme collection belt. You could again combine the same. And don't think, ladies, I have forgotten something for women. There's a lot of choice for women as well when it comes to leather and accessories. And what I have put together here today under 1 lakh is a baby heritage collection fountain pen. These are the pens along with the pouch. It's so interesting gift. Now this will come under 1 lakh. This pouch along with this baby heritage collection. You have a choice of a ballpoint also, so you can combine this either with a fountain pen or a ballpoint. And this is such an interesting gift which women will cherish. And this is like Montblanc's legacy, unbeatable. Then you could combine, perhaps, maybe you don't want to give this pouch and you want to take a baby heritage collection along with a wallet. This is a sartorial collection wallet for a woman, and this is a burgundy card holder. I think I will, I would like to mix and match and make an exclusive gift hamper for the woman. So post checking some accessories, we are in the heart of perfume. Perfume is an interesting choice as well. And the perfume that I would like to talk about as a gifting option is none other than Bulgari. Bulgari Allegra for a woman. A 100 ml bottle that you can see will cost you around 21,600. It's a very interesting gift. It's personal, but this is one of the options. Of course, men cannot be left behind, right? We spoke about Bulgari for women, and now we have Tigar from Bulgari for men. This is inspired from India. La Gem is priced at rupees 33,350 and it is 125 ml. Thank you for watching this episode, and I don't know if you really like the selection. I only hope and pray you loved what I have presented. Do let me know if you end up shopping any of these, and it would be nice to know, right, that you shopped after you saw this episode. Uh, and thank you for watching. And if you liked the video, please do not forget to press the like button. And I'm sure you have subscribed the channel, but if you haven't already, please do press the button now to subscribe the channel. Thank you.